Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Previously I was showing you how I pluck my frontal to get it looking extra realistic and natural. This video will be showing you how to make your units thicker. So sometimes when you buy a full lace unit, or in my case a lace front unit, it can be quite thin, although it can be worn in the current state it's in. So what I do is I add tracks to the unit. So you can see that in between the wefts there is a bit of space and it's on a stretchy material. I sew my tracks directly onto the tracks that are in the wig, just so that it doesn't inhibit the movement and the flexibility of the wig. So normally you can, or you should, split your wefts in half, but I personally don't mind how it will look with the wefts not being split. Splitting the wefts and sewing just makes the whole process a lot longer. So work your way across from one side to the other, and I'm using a blanket stitch. Just remember to continue to sew directly on the track that is in the unit already. My unit is a lace front wig, so rather than having strands of hair ventilated into a cap, my unit has the lace area in the front and tracks at the back. This makes it so much easier to customize. And I forgot to mention that I cut the wefts at the end of every row. There's no flip over method with this. It will just look very bulgy, especially based on the fact that the wig is machine made. Just secure those ends by sewing over them a few times and snip the thread. I've slowed down this part of the video just for you to get a gist of the stitch pattern. It's just a basic loop and pull. I loop twice just for extra security and pull through the loop to hold the track in place. As this is a very repetitive process, I'm just going to fast forward so that you're not sitting here watching me do the same thing over and over again. And I am done. Notice how much thicker it is in between the wefts on the unit. There isn't as much space, you can't see the cap as much, so this is how I thicken my lace units. And in total I added around 8 tracks to the unit. And you can see my stitching on the inside. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Tune in for the next video, which will be on how I style my unit. Bye.